everybody, this is Nora and I'm here to tell you some great news, an announcement about Born Pretty Store's 8th anniversary celebration that it's going to happen next month. So in the next few days, October 10th through October 16th. Those are 7 full days, so it's a full week with that weekend in between. And let me tell you about these goodies that you're going to and sales that you're going to want to take advantage of. So here are the coupon codes. Very quick. You can see how you can save $5, $12, $20, etc. depending on how much you spend. So for example, your order of $29 or more, you use your code 8anniversary5 and you save $5. Okay, so let me go ahead and move on here to the next slide. The very first thing, so there's going to be various activities during that week, and the very first one that you want to take advantage of, October 10th and October 11th, they're going to have this Sale, if I am pronouncing that correctly. Can't say I've ever heard that word pronounced. So yeah, things, if you can get in there, and they're going to have around 3,000 pieces. So it looks like for that you can purchase at for a penny, just 1 cent. Now it has the time from 9 o'clock in the morning to 9 o'clock p.m. I will assume that is local time to them. Remember, Born Pretty Store, they are based out of China, but they deliver internationally, and this anniversary celebration, this goes international. So don't go by your local time because it will be different for everybody. So I'm assuming this is their local time. So, and they will have this again on October 15th and the 16th, which is the last 2 days of the anniversary celebration. And then my favorite, here's a big one if you're in the US to look for, especially October 12th. All items in the US warehouse, 20% off, guys. That's huge. And if you miss out on the 12th, then you can still get 15% off October 13th, and October 14th you can still get 10% off. Now, but let me tell you, if you notice that at the bottom, October 12th is the day, guys, because on top of you getting 20% off, if your order is over $99, you will get a free gift set on the 12th, as you can see there. So let me move on to the next one. You can get a free stamping kit. So it says actually paid order. So if you have your order is over $99 or more, you will get a Born Pretty special customized stamping kit. Isn't that nice? And that is if you place your orders between October on the 13th or on the 14th. So as you can see, there's different things going on each day during those 7 days or in that week of the anniversary celebration. And the lucky bag, so this looks like there's no special day set up for this, so anytime during that week, go in there, search lucky bag, and you'll see. So if you click on the link, the lucky bag, that will find out what the lucky bag is going to be for that day, and you can do your purchase. Giveaways, they will have 3 giveaways during the 10th and the 16th. You will want to follow them on Instagram and Facebook and keep a lookout for those giveaways. And last but not least, guys, when you place your orders, no matter what amount of an order you're placing, no matter which day you're buying, at checkout, you want a free gift, use my code ADUK31, IDUK31. Where would you place that code? This is not for a discount. This is for a free gift. Just scroll down at checkout to where it says add comments about your order and place my special code right there for a special gift. The gift that you will receive from Born Pretty, it will depend on the amount of your order that you have placed. Okay, so it's not a one set gift for the same for everybody. It will depend on the amount of your order. So that is it, guys. That's all I have for you. Wanted to give you that big announcement. I will also be announcing this and promoting it through my other social media channels. So I will have Born Pretty stores linked down in the description bar below, as well as I will scroll it down on my screen down below, so you guys can go check it out during this week. Remember, October 10th through the 16th. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.